Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for an easy way to build and manage a website with AI, then you are in the right place. Today I am going to walk you through 10 Web, a powerful AI-powered website builder that takes the hassle out of website design and optimization. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, 10 Web has something for you. So let's dive in. First of all, go to my.10web.io and log in or sign up. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard. Now you can choose how you want to proceed. Whether you want to create a new website with AI, you want to convert a non-WordPress site to WordPress with AI, or you want to migrate WordPress site to 10Web hosting. So let's create a new website with AI. Click on Proceed. Now it will ask you what kind of website do you want to create. Whether you want to create an informational website or whether you want to create a website with an online store. Now you can select the store type from here. Now you can write the keyword here to search your relevant store type. So I want to create an e-commerce website for perfumes. So I will type perfume here. Now you can see how many types of perfume website has appeared here. Now you can check out these perfume sites like e-com perfume shop, online perfume store, online perfume retailer, picture frame shop, or produce market. Now you can select the option which is more relevant to your business. I will select online perfume store. Now click next. Alright, so now give the store name here. The name I have selected is Bloom and Musk. You can write a short description of your store as well. So here's the short description about my store. So now it will ask you whether you want a domain for the website or not. If you want a domain, you can click on yes, otherwise you can click on no. So let's click on yes button. Click next. Alright, so now it will ask you what perfume categories you offer. Perfumes, colognes or body sprays. Now AI is creating your website structure. Just a few seconds required for this step. So here is your website structure. You can always modify this structure, customize the pages section by section, add other sections, add details and prompts, and you can also add the key pages needed for your website. As you can see this plus button here, if you want to add a new section, you can add from here. You can add a new page as well. So let's go with this structure for now. Click on next button, and here is your website landing page. So this is not the final website page, but a mock-up to preview its look and feel. You can change the color theme from here. You can check the button structures as well. You can select the theme as well, whether classic, flat, or minimalistic, and then click on generate. So it will take few seconds to generate your personalized AI website. So AI can also ask you the quick questions, such as which of these options describe your situation. I have a business and need a better website. I want to launch a new business. Your website is ready. Now preview and edit. So this is your AI created website that you have created within a matter of few minutes. Let's scroll through this website. As you can see, all sections are very well organized. All these pictures are AI created. So this is the fully optimized website that you can also transfer to WordPress. As you can see, it has created all the pages. You can check this sidebar as well, from where you can select the filters, body sprays, amazing, floral collection, woody collection, let's check the luxury collection. So you can use these pictures very easily because these pictures are AI created and they have no copyrights. Moreover, their resolution and picture quality is great. Let's click on the user profile. So it has created a login and register page as well. Let's click on cart. So here is the cart. And just to check the function of this cart, let's click on any one of these products. So it has created a product detailed page as well. And then you can click on add to cart button. And then you can click on the add to cart button to check whether it is added to the cart or not. Let's click on the cart. And yes, it is added here. Let's click on the view cart. All right, so all items you have selected will be added here. And when you will click on proceed to checkout, you will be asked to add all your billing details. And then you can just click on pay now and place your order. So it is a complete website that it has created within 4 to 5 minutes, not more than that. So let's check its mobile version, whether it is responsive or not. Click here. So you don't need to do any mobile responsiveness settings because it is already mobile optimized. Let's check the menu and other pages as well. Wow, so everything is mobile optimized. Let's go to the desktop again. So this is the fantastic job that this AI has done just within a matter of few minutes. If you want to edit your website, then you can click on edit your website and go back to the editor and do your required modifications. You can also use its free trial version for 7 days. Now let's go to the dashboard. Here is your website that you have just created. You can edit it from here, you can preview it, and you can also access the WordPress dashboard and edit it through it. If you want to manage your website, then click on Manage. So this is the dashboard and this is the website you have just created. You can edit it from here, you can preview it, and you can also transfer it to WordPress. If you will click on the WordPress button, it will show you a premium plan because you need a premium plan to transfer this website to WordPress, and it is as cheaper as $11 per month. So just in the $11, you will get the monthly visitors up to 30K. You can just get the free custom domain for 1 year. You will get the SSD storage, AI Copilot credits, image generation, product and order management, 10 web payments, and you will also get these payment methods for your e-commerce website, Google Pay and Visa or MasterCard, e-commerce analytics, conversion optimized checkout, website editor, mobile optimized, 10 web premium hosting, and 90 plus page speed score, and 24/7 chat support. So all these things you will get in just $11 per month. And if you want to get an AI e-commerce premium plan, then you will have to pay $23 per month. And in that plan, you will get 210K monthly visitors, 2 years of custom domain subscription, 25 GB SSD storage, and unlimited AI Copilot credits and image generation. This is a very cheap and economical package that you can get for your business as well. And now, if you want to manage your website, click on Manage. And here you will get all options that you will get from a web hosting provider such as Hostinger or GoDaddy. So it is providing you all the options here such as AI Builder, navigation, e-commerce, website booster, domains, hosting services, plugins, WordPress themes, backups, and white label. So it is giving many options here. On the main page, you will see an overview as well. Like the desktop loading time is just 0.9 seconds and mobile load time is just 1 second. So that is great. You can always check your website score through Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix. So it is fully SEO optimized website as well. The plugins and themes this website is using are listed here: 10 Web Builder, AI Assistant by 10 Web, Elementor, WooCommerce, and you can also select these plugins from here and update them all. So it is providing all the analytics of your website. So these are the basic website details that you can just provide here, such as where will your business be located, or add new product, or edit your website, if you want to add any custom domain or set up the payment methods, etc. So these things are required if you want to optimize your website more, or if you want to give the more details to modify your website. Now go to the AI Builder. So on this page, it will show you page hierarchy, like what pages it has created or what page you want to add. Then the navigation, it will show you the navigation bar, the menu bar here. You can just change the navigation here. You can just move these categories up and down and add more items if you want. If you will click on the e-commerce, Then it will show you many categories like orders, products, customers, payment methods, transactions, payouts, tags, emails, shipping, and settings. So as soon as you will get orders on your website and people will add the products to the cart, or they will just add the payments or send the emails or place the orders, then you will get all those analytics here on this page. Here you will get all the information about the website builder, how you can buy a premium package for the pro optimization or the Cloudflare account. So here you will get all the page management options, and for that you will have to buy a premium plan as well. Just like that, you will get the image optimization options here, Cloudflare, and all other settings, like you can just clear the cache, you can just save the advanced settings by tweaking the you can just do the advanced settings by tweaking the optimization settings of TanWeb Booster here. So there are many features that it is providing in its trial or the free version here. So here you will also get the domain. If you have bought any domain or you want to search for a new domain, you can just add it from here. You can buy the hosting services as well. You can just use the redirects, resource usages. By these resource usages, you can keep a close eye on your website and keep a track of the number of unique visitors and monitor the storage of your database files. You can just monitor all your website logs from here. You can just check the hosting performance as well. And you can also create a staging environment for your website. That is great. On plugins, you will get all the information about the plugins. You can download the new plugins, install them, and update them here. And from here, you can select a WordPress theme. If you want to back up your website, then you can use this option to create a backup. So here on white label, you will just get the admin access to TanWeb Booster, TanWeb Builder, TanWeb SEO, and Cache. You can just use these services to customize and optimize your website. So that's it. With TanWeb, you can create and optimize a stunning website in just a few clicks. And just like that, we have a fully functional perfume e-commerce store built in just a few minutes. All thanks to the power of AI. With AI-driven tools like TanWeb, anyone can bring their vision to life without coding or technical headaches. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Got questions or want me to cover something specific? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.